guys, we have bought a Clearstream 4V HD antenna. I'm hoping in about 4 weeks to cut the cable and go strictly antenna because the bill's just getting too high. So I have received an Antennas Direct antenna. So this is what we got here. Instructions, one package, an antenna, another doohickey, some bar, hardware, the mask, but I won't use this because I already have one on my roof, so I'll discard that. One short cable, 2 plastic mounts, whatever that is, and the 2 antenna grids or something like that. So I'll set this to the side. Let's see how we do this on the instructions part. Right here. I know probably some of this is going to be backwards, and I apologize. Okay, step 1. Attach each antenna base 1 at the center of each reflector. Okay, so these are actually called reflectors. Let's put this here, here, here. Put this down here for right now. This out of the way. Okay. Alright. Okay, we need to flip this over to center. Here. There. Looks like it's got to go just like that lined up. But like I said, I've never done this, so okay, so it's got to attach there to that. Right there? Nope. Right there. Looks like that's it. It's got to go right there. There we go. Okay, got one. Here, go here. Flip this over. Attach that. That's got to snap in place. A little tight right there. I'm not going to force it because the other one's just snapped right in. Got to turn around. Pay attention. There we go. Snapped. Okay. Now, number 2. Attach the crossbars number 3 to the back of the reflector using 1 5/8 thread bolt 12 figure 2. Okay, number 3. What's number 3? Okay, number 3 is this crossbar here. That here and here. Looks like we're going pretty easy. Then we need to use 1 5/8 bolts number 12. I guess we need to open this up. Set these. Okay, let's see what we got here. 1 5/8 threaded bolt. Guess it's these doohickeys here, number 12. That looks like 1 5/8. Is that it? Yep. Yep. Looks like that's about it. Catch that straight into there. only got 2 of these bolts. I need 4. Oh, it shows it right there. Okay. Boom, boom. Alright. Not very clear on that part. Okay, not there. Let's see here. How's that attached then? Okay, that's a little icky situation. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Them. Number 2. 2 of these. Straps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I got some of these. Okay, that's where that's got to attach into the top part. Okay, so that must go here, here, just like we had it. Let's go ahead and put that in. Okay, we'll do this part here. It's kind of finicky on this part here, so. Okay, all right, not tighten it down yet. Okay, position through a loop, through all that, that, and that. Okay, these here now. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Okay, it says here, position the loop elements number 4 so the antenna logo of each loop is in the same orientation. Then add each loop element to the antenna base using the number, using 3 1.5 inch bolts. Assuming that's what these are. That's probably what that's got to go there. So, okay, right here, here, here. So I'm assuming it's got to go like that. This has got to go something. How's that supposed to work? I'm missing something here. Okay, that's got to go there, there, there. Okay. Alright, guys. Alright. This part here has got to go right here. Like that. And these little grooves here got to go on here. Orientation same. So if we can flip these over. Probably won't stay on. Oh, but at least it won't. There. Okay, now the bolts here gotta go through. All the way down here. The bolt's gonna thread through all this and tighten into the element. So it looks like. Let's see if we can get it lined up. I could have used a power drill, but I was scared I would strip some of the threads out. So, there. Looks like it's going actually pretty easy. Okay, here. I'm going to tighten these screws down. Down. Just don't over tighten them. Alright, good, good. Alright, number 4 steps done. Let's see, right here, here, here. Now, Attach the mounting hardware by adding the back plates number 14 to the crossbars. Number 3. Okay, what's the number 14? That's them. And see here. We're going to need these, and these. So this has got to go in the back. Here. There. See which direction does this got to go. Then use the U-clamp clamp to the 14. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so here. Better drawing right there. Okay, turn the wing nest. Okay. Alright. This brace here. Here. The bigger piece here. Smaller clamp here. The U-clamp probably should put that okay right there. Okay, and looks like we do a wing nut. Right now I'm just going to tighten it down so it just don't flop around until I'm ready to actually mount it. Structure are actually pretty good so far. Okay, right there. Let's do number 2. This time we'll just here. Here. Put the backing plate. This one here. Here. Okay, I gotta go check on my dog. See where he's at. Where's the bigger one at? Small. That ain't good. Well, did I not get the correct one? I'm gonna have to. Well, that kind of bites. I got 3 of the big ones, wing nuts, but I need a 4th one. Let's see here. Or does it? Should have been 4 of those, and I actually only got 3. They're all the same size. Okay, well, nope. Well, antenna's direct. If you see this, hopefully you can do a little bit better on the quality control. So I'll have to take this back off, go to the hardware store, and get a wing nut, which is no big deal. So, okay, let's move on. Okay, there. Okay, turn the clamps there. Okay, now we're going to attach the combiner bar to each terminal on the back loops of the elements as shown. Okay, that sounds like this right here, and this is going to go. Let's put this over. Kind of just going to go right here, and here. So looks like we're going to go just like this. Let me flip this around so you can actually see right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so right now we're going to attach the wing nuts. Kind of makes it a little difficult here. That's all right. Attach. Okay, got 2 attached. Just a little tight here. Okay, one more. Okay, guys. Nige. That's my dog, Nige. Alright, there we go. See? Got the extra wing nut, but it's for the smaller bolts for the elements. Does not fit. So, it does not fit. Maybe I'll send them an email with this video. But that's alright. If that's my only problem, that's not a very big issue. Okay, there. Now, say thread the coax cable and without the weather boot into the UHF in on the VHF kit figure 5. So that's going to be this doohickey. Okay, the boot in. Without the boot in. Okay, so that's going to be without the boot in. And here, UHN, right here. I think they would have had a boot on each side, but that's all right. Just go ahead and make sure it's a little tight. Just don't over tighten it because you know it is plastic. Okay, now see that is in. Now attach the VHF kit onto the back of the radar reflector on the first and second bar. Push down into the VHF kit. Clip securely in figure 6. Okay, so if we're like here, here, but this shows a second cable coming out of it. It must be. Okay, right there. Okay, wait a minute. We jump up here to figure 7 there. There. Okay. Alright. So we must go here, here, here. This has got attached right here. That's what it looks like. Right there. That. Okay, so we got little grooves right in here. It's got to slide into the reflector and it pushes down. Right there, just make sure. There, just snapped in place. in. Okay, now threaded coax cable sewed separately onto the VH output. Okay, I will do that when I install it. But let me see something here. Yep. I'm going to go ahead and temporarily hook up a cable and just put it in my living room here a little bit just to test the signal on the antenna. Okay. Well, guys, I believe that's really it as far as construction goes. What I'm going to do is take this into my, okay, this has got to go down here, I bet. Yeah. Okay, yeah, right there. I missed a step. Attach the coax cable to the transfer and one connect to the side of the weather boot here. So they should really have two of them. So okay, yep. Yep, this cable here from the input has got to go to number 5. The combiner bar with the 7.5 ohm transformer. So that's this. So they should have wrapped around just like that. Which I'll probably get some straps. Maybe strap that down so it don't. Oh, there's straps with it to help it. Because they actually show it going underneath, don't they? This way. Around. Here. Which I don't. There. Which I think I really have it come around. I'd rather have it this way. I'm going to probably get an extra boot to cover these up here. We're just going to do it like this, because this will be outside. Okay, I'm going to tighten that down on this part right here. Okay, slid the boot over. That's pretty well it. Take this over here. Okay, well, I got for just temporary. Okay, right there. Pop this up for right now. See, it shows it not popped up. We're going to take these clamps down. Okay, there we go. Enough flexibility. Boom. There we are. What we're going to do is clamp this here onto there. So this cable don't move. Just remember, this cable is only temporary, just for test, because when I put it on the mast, I'm going to have to run probably a 20 or 30 foot cable. So. Alright guys, that's pretty wet. It doesn't look too bad. Construction looks pretty sturdy. Looks like a decent antenna, but I never had an antenna in 20-something years, so this is all going to be new. I know it's not for everybody, but enjoy, and I'll talk to y'all later.